How are you now?
I'm good. D250881.
Your age?
I'm 37 years old.
Married or single?
I'm single.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How
one.
many? Okay, how old?
12 years old.
Your educational background?
Graduated. High school graduated.
Okay, do you have working experience as a helper?
Yes.
Where?
Here in Manila. 5 years.
For how many members of the family?
4.
How many children?
2.
Ages?
10 and 5.
Your household duties here in the Philippines?
Yes. Like hand wash, automatic washing machine, and cook, oven, and vacuum.
Okay. What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
For the future, my child.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
Like?
Like a steam, vegetable and pork and
Are you willing to learn more?
yes, I'm good.
Do you know how to teach the children?
Basic math in English.
Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
Do you have any nursery rhyme?
Yes.
Sing it!
My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my hand, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my hand, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my hand.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the temperature and I will ask to my employer.
Okay, how do you handle a situation where the children in your care are fighting?
I stop them because so bad.
Okay, in taking care of a member of the house, which one you like the most?
Baby,
Why?
because I like baby.
Okay, if somebody wants to enter in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will call my employer.
Which part of your employer's house should be kept clean at all times?
Kitchen
Hmm,
and toilet
Why?
to avoid the odors and bacteria.
If you accidentally damage something in your employer's house, what will you do?
I will tell to my employer immediately and apologize.
What will you do if your employer give instructions that you don't understand?
I politely ask to clarification.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No.
Do you have any special skills?
Yes.
Like,
Especially cooking.
are you willing to attend training or workshops to improve your skills?
Yes, sir.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
Keep myself busy at work.
Okay, message for your future employer.
Ma'am and sir, I'm kind, obedient, and responsible.
Love their family as if your own.
Yes.
Follow all of their rules and regulations.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am and sir. See you soon. Bye.